Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove Google account from Android phone. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So sometimes you have multiple accounts in and you don't want to use a specific account in your mobile phone, and you want to remove that account and you want to add more and multiple accounts. So then this tutorial is absolutely for you. You guys have to just simply don't worry about it and simply open up your phone settings. So after opening up your phone settings, you have to just simply search for Google, or you guys can scroll down and find the Google on your Android settings. So after selecting the Google, you have to just simply it will provide you such kind of interface. So it is providing you the accounts which you have logged in with your Android phone. So here are the total 3 accounts which I have logged in with my device. So I have to just simply select any of the account which I want to remove. So assume that I want to remove this one. You have to just simply click on it, and you have to just simply scroll down, and here you have to just simply click on the 3 dots below, which is called more. So after tapping on that, here is the second option, which is remove account. So you have to just simply click on it and your account will be removed from the device. Or you guys can go back, and here you have to just simply click on the 3 dots on more, and you guys can also check out here. It might be here a remove button, so you guys can select the remove button here, or you guys can select by just tapping on any of the email specific and click on the more and select the remove account. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.